Hey guys, welcome back to Nick's Tips and Tricks. Today we are talking about teaching your kids to kayak and introducing them to the river experience with a dynamic duo. So another great tool that we have as parents or adults teaching young kids to kayak is a duo, a two-person kayak. So we've got the dynamic duo, which has been awesome for us. We can take the kids down in the front of the boat. They get a little bit of a feel of running rapids, running some white water, but also a lot about edging in and out of eddies, and they just get to come down for the whole river experience. Now, if you got super small kids, another way to go about doing this is just taking a creek boat or something that's super stable for you and just putting them on your lap. This is something that I did with our kids when they were 1 year old or even younger than that. I would just take my skirt off and run down with them on my lap. But as they get older and as they get a little bit bigger, or to take both of my kids down, we use the dynamic duo. I'll put Tucker up in the front. Sometimes I'll put Parker on my lap. It's just a great tool to take them down the river, to get to experience the whole river run, and to start to kind of figure out edging and some more advanced stuff as well. And they also get to do some surfing, so you can kind of tie it all in there. But two-person kayak, dynamic duo, a great tool and just a lot of fun for a parent as well. And you get to take your kids down rivers that they're not skilled enough to do on their own. And it's just, you get the bonding experience as well, both being in the same kayak. So all in all, a great tool. If you haven't tried it, go give it a shot. Super fun, but highly recommend trying the dynamic duo with your kids. Hey guys, hopefully this tip helps you guys get out on the water more with your kids, help your kids feel more confident in the water, comfortable in the rapids, and yeah, we just want to see more kids and more families out on the water. So hopefully it helps. Feel free to comment, like, share, maybe share it with some other parents that might be interested, and yeah, let us know if there's any other tips or tricks that you guys would like to see as well. Cheers guys, have a good day.